If you have been following this journey, then you already know cashew fruit is one of the most wasted, yet most valuable farm produce out there. Today, I'm going to show you one of the simplest and most refreshing way to transform this waste into something everyone will actually love: fresh cashew fruit juice. Let's get started. I am beginning with some beautifully ripe cashew fruits, fresh from the farm, juicy and full of natural flavor. The first step is to remove the nuts from the fruit, one after the other. Remember, the nut is the part most people value, but today our focus is on the fruit itself, the part that is often ignored. Once all the nuts are removed, I go ahead and wash the fruit thoroughly. This step is very important to remove dirt, sand, and any impurities from the surface. After washing, I chop the fruit into smaller pieces. This makes the juicing process much easier and more efficient. Now we are ready for the main part: extracting the juice. I take a portion of the chopped cashew fruit and place it inside a clean cheesecloth. Then I transfer it into my cast iron juicer and begin to press out the juice. When it comes to juicing cashew fruits, there are actually several methods you can use. You can use a blender, but the color and clarity won't be the same as what you get from manual extraction. You can also use a regular juice extractor, or even go traditional with a mortar and pestle. There are many options. It all depends on what you have available. I continue this process, adding fresh portion each time, squeezing thoroughly until every bit of juice is extracted. You will notice how the pulp becomes dry after proper squeezing. That is how you know you are getting the best out of it. Once all the juice is extracted, it is time to enhance the flavor. At this stage, I add some fresh lime juice. This helps to balance the natural sweetness and slightly reduce the astringent taste of cashew fruit. Alternatively, you can use ginger instead of lime. Both works very well and gives different but amazing flavor. But for this recipe, I'm sticking with lime juice. Then I give everything a good stir to properly combine. Now I transfer the juice into a clean storage bottle. And here is the interesting part. Even people who normally don't like eating cashew fruit will enjoy drinking this juice. That is the power of proper processing. Next, I place it in the refrigerator for about 30 to 60 minutes to chill. And just like that, your fresh natural cashew fruit juice is ready. Serve it cold, refreshing, and absolutely delicious. This is just one of the many ways we can turn cashew fruit from waste into value. Imagine what more we can create from something people usually throw away. So stay connected, because in the next video, we are going even deeper into transforming cashew fruit into long-lasting high-value products. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.